the Romantic Love Music Box by Microworld. This picture is the manual, and it comes with a variety of things, but it's really hard to take out the box and put it back in. So it does come with tools, snippers, pliers, and tweezers, and a variety of other things. Here is the model. It's quite a nice piece just on your counter or a desk, a makeup stand, I guess. Oh, and there goes the music close-up with the guy kissing the girl. Fireworks in the background. You got the Eiffel Tower there. This thing does come out. This heart shape is actually really cool to build. Did another close-up with the fireworks. This nice variety of purple and red and pink, yellow and blue. This is the light. It's LED. It does not come with batteries though. Might have came with a screwdriver, maybe not. I don't remember. But if you unscrew that, you can see part of the music box there. I'm not gonna unscrew it because I am ill prepared and I did not bring a screwdriver. It does come with tokens. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Crab, it looks like. Couple fish. Now this comes with every one of these Microworld music boxes, so it's not really anything too special. That was upside down, my bad. I don't know what they're for. Looks like Romans. Ox. Very Romanesque. Egyptian. Scorpion. Bow and arrow. It's like a water buffalo. It does come with bookmarks or charms as well. Here's one of those charms. I don't know how you can see the coloring on that. I don't know if that works. Looks like flamingos and a heart. There comes two of each music box, so that's specific for that one. And then there's a necklace, I believe, or charm, however you want to see it, of some birds. Lovebirds? I'm just gonna say lovebirds. I don't actually know if they're lovebirds. I should know. I study an animal. And roses. Very beautiful. It also comes with this device, which, if I turn off the lights, turn on, and I can't see the control at all. Fade, smooth, red, green, blue, white. I guess it's the brightness. Oh no, that's the speed. Let's try the first one. That's flash, strobe. You can speed up the strobe. And then this is fade. You can really slow down the fade. I don't know how many levels these are in. And then you can increase the fade, and then this is smooth. And then let's try out the different colors. Red, yellow, green. I don't actually know what colors. I'm just picking random colors. I believe this is white. There you go. Very nice to have the night light. Then let's listen to the music. It does spin.